Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Backyard Garage. In today's episode, we're going to be doing something super exciting, and I can't wait. We are going to be doing some more grinding and cleaning and painting. So, these are getting repetitive, but this is my build, and this is kind of just documenting what I'm doing. So, sit tight. We're going to be working on the firewall on the car. I want to get that all cleaned up and then painted. We'll see how it goes, and then I want to start working on some of the suspension parts and getting those painted. Maybe not suspension parts. I'm going to start working on the just some miscellaneous parts that I got to get cleaned up and painted, like the door hinges and then some other interior parts, because I would like to start putting some stuff back together. So let's get at it. I'm not doing the suspension and putting that together quite yet. I do have the parts on order. It's just everything's on back order for another 2 to 3 weeks, so that's just taking a little bit of time. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, so now that we got the car all wire wheeled down and cleaned up, or at least most crap brushed off there, I'm gonna go ahead and get some wax and grease remover, and then I'm gonna be cleaning it up. Man, this stuff is really dirty. I'm gonna be editing this video. It's gonna be really quick, but man, that literally took hours. There's a lot where I just turned off the camera because I didn't want to waste all my memory just filming me doing not much. But yeah, we're gonna get all cleaned off, and then the next phase will be to start prepping for paint. I'm gonna be doing a self-etching primer and then a paint. Yeah, so let's get to work. Okay, so the reason I wipe it down twice is because the first time, you see the rag? It gets pretty gnarly. Second time, wipe it down. I put gloves on so I don't get my oils from my skin on there. And when I wipe it down again, I'm just looking to see where it's dirty. It's clean so far, so that's why I wipe it twice. Alright, actually, so the next thing that I did on the car here is I ended up just putting this tape all around where the seams are, because before I prime and everything, I want to put some seam sealer down. The reason I didn't put the seam sealer down first inside the car is because I never did it before, but the stuff that I have now, it's a 3M product and it is paintable, so that's what I'm going to be using. So yeah, I just tape it up so when I do put the seam sealer on, I can get in these cracks right here. And when I'm done, like the factory, it had like a big old white strip. They weren't very careful when they put the stuff on. They just slapped the shit on and called it good. But with this, it's going to help me control how thick the gap is with the seam sealer and all that. So that's why I'm taping it up. Alright, well everybody, I guess that's a wrap for today's video. I got a lot of stuff done. There's a lot of work sanding and, not sand, I would say sanding, but taking that wire wheel and getting everything cleaned. It's a lot of work. Many hours went into that. Took about, I started on this Tuesday, today is Saturday morning, actually Saturday afternoon now, about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So it takes a long time to clean all those parts and get everything all going. So that's kind of where we're at. So thanks for watching my videos. Hit the like button if you liked it. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button, the thumbs down. You know the drill. Hit this subscribe button and then hit the little bell icon. It's supposed to do something, I guess. I don't know, it gives you notifications or something. But thanks for following along. It's a work in progress. I've never really made videos before, so if you guys see anything that you need me to improve on with my videos, please let me know in the comments below, and I will try to do that. I guess a lot of these new videos, I'm not really explaining stuff, and the reason for that is grinding is pretty self-explanatory. Wax and grease remover, or acetone, or just a good cleaner is what I'm using before paint. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.